My nextjs application has an issue where it does not update where it does not render the current data. For example, here I have my application and I'm just gonna say I love basketball. In the backend, this will connect to an OpenAI endpoint and then generate whatever this content is. Another step after that is I'm storing whatever JSON in here on this card into a database. So if this works correctly, if I go back here and I refresh, this number should increase by 1250. But right now, even if I refresh multiple times, it's stuck at 1249. So the code behind this is pretty simple. I have a server component, total topics. It's a server component because it doesn't have the use client. And then here I have a variable called count, and this variable is coming from this function, get all research questions. If I look at the definition, it is just querying all the rows within the research questions table, and then I'm just returning all the rows there. And here I'm just getting the length and then returning it into this component. So if I look at it, it's basically this number. It's pretty simple. So I don't know the best way to fix this, but my solution by turning this component into a client component, and then I would fetch an API from the front end, seems to work fine. So here's my solution. If I refresh, oh sorry. So here, let me see. Let me start this server. Maybe not that. So if I refresh this, it's at 49, and then I'm gonna test. Behind the scene, it should connect to OpenAI, and then I get a JSON which I render on this card, and then I save the JSON into the database. If I go back, now increase to 50. So my solution is basically converting this into a client component. So now here it's a little bit more complicated. I'm using use effect, and I'm using fetch, and then here I have another use effect to add a little bit animation to increase the number for just for a aesthetic touch. Alright, so that's my update. Thank you.